Hello guys once again. This is part 3 of our learning session 3, which is entitled Drawing Aids in AutoCAD. Okay, so we are now on using object snaps. Okay, so object snaps are important setting that improve your performance and accuracy while creating a drawing. Okay, so they allow you to select key points of objects while creating a drawing. Okay, so this will be easy if you are going to get an object or you want to go to that object. Okay, so you can activate the required object snap by using the object snap shortcut menu. Okay, so press and hold the shift key and right click to this display the shortcut menu. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the object snap icons, guys. Then the functions of various object snaps. Okay, let's try to see that one in the education. Okay, so hope you can follow. Good. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys. Okay, okay, let's check. Okay, so let's close this one. Okay, so you can activate the required object snap by using the object snap shortcut menu. So you can click that one here or press and hold shift key. So let's try this one. Shift key and right click to the shortcut menu. Okay, so you can see these items shows guys for the object snap. Okay, temporary track point, from, mid between 2 points, point filters, 3D snap, in point, midpoint, intersection, apparent intersect, extension, center, quadrant, tangent, perpendicular, parallel node, insert nearest, none, and O snap settings. This is used, guys. Example, if you want to click the midpoint of this line, just click this one, and if your arrow will go nearer to this line, it will go directly to that point. Okay, so that's the object snap. Okay, so let's continue. The functions of various object snaps. Okay, so endpoints, snaps of the endpoints of lines and arcs. Okay, so like this one. So midpoint. Okay, so it's midpoint, snaps the midpoint of lines. Okay, so like this one. So let's try midpoint. Okay, so this is already activated. So if you type L line, okay, you can observe. Okay, so let's on this one. You can observe. Okay, so that's the midpoint. It shows a triangle. Okay, endpoint is this. Okay, square. The next is nearest. Please check if the nearest is on. Nearest. So let's try to on this one. This is the nearest. You need to activate this one. Okay, nearest. Okay, so that one. Okay, okay. So you can see there are plus green icons. Next is center. Snaps the center of circles and arcs. Okay, let's try that one. Let's draw a circle. Then let's check. Okay, so this is activated. Let's draw a line. You can observe. Okay, so it snap. Okay. Next is a geometric center. It snaps the center. Center point. Okay, so center point of a closed geometry created by a single object such as polyline, polygon, or a polygon. Okay, geometric center. Okay, let's try that one. Geometric center. Okay, geometric center is not in here, but if you shift so let's shift right click. Okay, geometric center. Okay, so I think geometric center is not in. Check center. Retract point with it's not. Okay, so this is available on the higher CAD. Think. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Tangent snaps to the tangent points of arcs and circles. Okay, so they like this. Next is quadrant. Snaps to four key points located on a circle. Okay, quadrant. So let's try that way. Sorry. Okay, quadrant. Let's try that one. Let's check if quadrant is on. Okay, so let's draw a line. Okay, so that one. Okay, you can observe there are four quadrant of the circle. Okay, we have intersection, snaps the intersections of the objects. Okay, so let's continue. Then apparent intersection snaps to the projected intersection of two objects in 3D space. Then we have perpendicular, snaps to a perpendicular location of an object. The node snaps to joints of dimension lines, text objects, dimension text, and so on. Okay. Next is insert. It snaps to the insertion point of blocks, shapes, and text. Okay, so none, deactivate object snap. Okay, so click none, it will all deactivated. Then parallel, it is used to draw an object parallel to another object. Okay, then we have extension, creates a temporary extension line when the pointer passes through the endpoints of a line or an arc. Okay, you can pick points along the temporary extension lines. Okay, from is locates a point at a specified distance and direction from selected reference point. Okay, so midpoint between 2 points snaps to the middle point of two selected points. So like this. Okay. Then we have temporary track point. It is used to locate a point by using trace lines from a reference point. Okay. Okay, so we are now on running object snaps. Okay, so previously you have learned to select object snaps from the shortcut menu. However, you can make object snap modes available continuously instead of selecting them every time. You can do this by using running object snap. Okay, so to use the running object snaps, click the down arrow next to the object snap button on the status bar and select the required object snap from the menu. Actually, I think I already did that one. So this one. Okay. Okay, so right here. So this one. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay. I think I already did that one a while ago. Okay, so let's continue. Okay. So this is the settings. The one that you want to. Okay, so like this. If you will activate, so just select all. Okay. Want to activate all snaps. Okay, if not, you can just uncheck this one. Okay, check. Okay, okay. Then cycling through object snaps. Okay, after setting the running object snap settings, AutoCAD display object snaps. Okay, depending on the shape of the object. However, you can cycle through the object snaps by pressing the tab. The following example, you will learn to cycle through different object snaps. Okay, let's check. Example, click the down arrow next to the object snap button and select the object snap. Okay, settings. Next, the drafting settings dialog box appears. Select the select all checkbox. Okay, so select all. Then click uh, OK. Okay, so next, draw the objects as shown on the option below. Okay, so this is the thing. Click the circle button. Okay, so let's try to do that one. So I already drew a circle. So let's try a rectangle. Okay, so let's make this one. Okay, then click the circle button on the draw panel. A circle button on the draw panel. So I sorry. So we need to create new. Sorry. See, click the circle button on the draw panel. Okay, draw panel, circle. Place the pointer on the drawing. Press tab. You will not. Okay. Sorry. We need. Okay. Let's undo that. Okay. So click circle. So let's try circle. Okay. Then place the pointer on the drawing. Place the pointer on the drawing. Then press the tab key. Tab. Okay. Okay. So if you notice, guys, it changes to other. Okay. Other. So okay. Center. Okay. So you can check. Okay. Okay. So click when the center snap is displayed. Okay. So okay. So click. Then okay. Okay, so let's create another circle. Sorry, small circle. Okay, I think it's the one. Let's find that drawing. Okay, okay, okay. So this one. Okay. Next is let's check the time. 30. Using object snap tracking. Okay, the object snap tracking is the movement of pointer along the trace lines originating from the key points of objects. Object snap tracking works only when the object snap mode is turned on. The following example, you will learn to use object snap tracking for creating objects. Okay, okay, so example, select the object snap tracking button from the status bar. So this one, object snap tracking. Okay, just click. Okay, so this is already activated. Okay, so open the drafting, or you can open the drafting settings dialog box and click the object snap tab. Okay, select the object snap tracking on the checkbox. Okay, so but we already activate the tracking on the status bar, so no problem with that. Then I use the line tool and draw the objects as shown below. Okay, so press the enter and hit A twice to start drawing lines from the last point. Okay, so let's try. Let's draw that one. Line, line, line. Okay. Press the enter key twice to start drawing line from the last point. Twice. Okay, so that one. So when I press the enter twice, it it came back to the last point that I draw. Okay, so that one. Move the pointer and place it to the end point and lower horizontal line. Okay. 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 So it's already okay. Okay. Sorry. So I think that's the same. Okay. So no problem with that. Then we are now on using zoom tools. Using the zoom tools, you can magnify or reduce the drawing. You can use these tools to view the minute details of very complicated drawing. The zoom tools can be accessed through the navigation bar, command line, and menu bar. Okay, so you can access the zoom here. So there are many zoom options, or you can type it in the command line here or in the menu bar. Okay, so menu bar is somewhere here. Okay, zooming with mouse wheel. Zooming using the mouse wheel is one of the easiest method. Okay, so if you can observe, if I will roll the mouse wheel, okay, so it will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so no problem for that one. Next, using zoom extend. Using the zoom extend tool, you can zoom to the extent of the largest object in the drawing. So click zoom extend on the navigation bar. Okay, so the easiest way is here. So zoom extends. Okay, so that one. Okay. Next is using zoom window. Using zoom window tool, you can define the area to be magnified by selecting 2 points representing a rectangle. Okay. Click zoom window navigation bar. Okay, so let's try that one. Zoom window. Okay, rectangle. Okay, so like that. Okay. Next is using zoom previews. After magnifying a small area of the drawing, you can use the zoom previews tool to return to the previous display. Okay, you can just click zoom in zoom previews. Okay, okay. Then next is using zoom real time. Using the zoom real time tool, you can zoom in or zoom out the drawing in real time. Okay, so let's check one here, real time. Okay, like that. Okay, so one. Okay, okay, just hold the lift button, okay, to increase or decrease the zoom. Okay. Next is using zoom all. The zoom all tool is used to adjust the drawing space to the limit set by you by using the limits command. Okay. Just click in here, then zoom all. Okay. Next is using zoom dynamic. Okay. So with the zoom dynamic tool, you can zoom to a particular portion of the drawing by using a viewing box. Okay, so let's try that one. Zoom dynamic. Zoom dynamic. Okay, so okay, that one. Okay. Okay. Next is using zoom scale. Using the zoom scale tool, you can zoom in or zoom out a drawing by entering zoom scale factors directly from your keyboard. So let's get this one. Okay, so zoom scale. Okay, so you can just right click zoom scale, navigation bar, click the scale factor in X or XP appears na command line. So this one, enter the scale factor 0.25 to scale the drawing to 25% of the full. Okay, 0.25. Okay, that one. Then enter the scale factor 0.25x to scale the drawing 25% of the current view. Let's try that one. Sorry, so scale 0.0.5x. Okay, so that one. Then enter the scale factor 0.25 XP to scale the drawing to 25% of the paper space. Okay, so let's check that one. So scale 0.25 XP. Okay, it's the 25% of the paper space. Okay, next is using zoom center. Using the zoom center tool, you can zoom to an area of the drawing based on the center point of the magnification value. Okay, click zoom. This one. Okay, let's try. Zoom, then zoom center. Then we have select a point on the drawing which you want to zoom in. Then we have this one. Okay. Okay, so okay. Next is zoom object. Using the zoom object tool, you can magnify a portion of the drawing by selecting one or more objects. So let's try that one. Click zoom, zoom object. Then select one or more object of the drawing and press enter. Sorry. This one, this one. Okay, so it's zoom to the object that we choose. Okay. Then using the zoom in tool, you can magnify the drawing by a scale factor of 2. Okay, so click zoom, zoom in. Okay, zoom in. Okay, then the drawing is magnified in. Okay, using zoom out, the zoom out tool is used to demagnify the display screen by scale factor of 0.5. Okay, then we are now on panning drawings. Okay, so after zooming into a drawing, you may want to view an area which is outside the current display. You can do this by using the pan tool. Okay, pan is the hand here, the hand in the navigation bar. So this is the pan. So you can control our workspace by this hand. Okay, if you want to go that way, left or sorry, right, you can put it right or left. So anywhere you want, up or down. Okay, this is fine. Press and hold the middle mouse button and drag the mouse, and a new area of the drawing which is outside the curve view is displayed. Okay, let's try this. Press and hold the middle mouse button. That one. If you can observe the hand, uh, it changes in shape. Then, okay, press and hold the middle mouse button and drag the mouse. Okay, so that one. A new area of the drawing which is outside the card view is displayed. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, so I think that is all for our learning session 3, which is entitled Drawing Aids. I hope guys you learn something from my discussions. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos. Okay, so thank you. I will upload the next learning session for this subject. Thank you.